I made a video about this van, I think last year. This van was on Facebook Marketplace. It was already sold, but I still shared it. I said, if you're looking for an Econoline to buy, something like this is the best deal. Action van lift kit, 7.3 diesel. And like I said, $10,000. I'm gonna show you guys the inside right now and tell you guys the story of this van. Action van lift kit, KO2 tires, nice rims. This thing sold in one day. It has a airline quality seats, first class. So this is what happened with this van. I shared it about a year ago and said this is one of the best deals I've ever seen. About, how long ago was it, man? Like a month ago, right? You messaged me?
Yeah, in January.
Yeah, so in January I get a message and he asked me, is this van a good deal? What do you think of this van? And what would you look for? So I said, I actually made a video about this van a couple months ago at the time. You know, he messaged me and I said, since it's a diesel, and the guy wanted 13.5, so I said, offer the guy 10. This was for sale for 10 grand. I'm gonna show you the video I made of it. So I said, since it's a diesel, a lot of times when diesels have issues, owners try to hide it by warming up the vehicle, because a diesel going bad will run rough when it's cold and run a little better when it's heated up. That's the injector is about to go bad. So I said, just have a mechanic look it over. So he did. Everything's good. And he ended up buying it for 10.5. He said so it was for sale. Someone bought it, didn't own it very long. And then the last person who owned it did a few things to it. So he got it for 10.5. This is the best deal I've ever seen. I mean, it's cool. I have an archive of all of this. There it is, 7.3 diesel, lifted, airline seats. You asked me what I wanted next. I want some airline seats too. Yeah, I want some seats like this. Yeah, look at this thing. So best deal ever. And it's pretty cool because I made friends with the guy who bought this, and I made a video even before I knew him. I said, dude, I made a video about this van. This is March 1st, 2025 lifted van meet. Hanging out right now. So yeah, if you could find a nice lifted van, get a mechanic look it over, and you're looking at 10 grand, it's about what you want to spend, as long as it's perfect running condition. Okay, let's talk about Fords. This was listed a day ago, sold for 10,000 instantly. So these lifted Ford vans, two-wheel drive, I know right away it's an action van. I could spot the radius arm right there. That's an action van modified radius arm. But yeah, sold for 10 grand right away. I was gonna do a video yesterday about this van to let you guys know this one's selling instantly, and it did. And then it's the 7.3 diesel, so that helped the sale a lot with this one. So when you see nice seats, it's nice conversion van windows. This is a nice one. But yeah, when you see these lifted vans for sale, action van or a Well-Tech for like 10 grand, and it's nice, selling right away for 10 grand. I always said 10 to like 13 grand. They sell instantly if it's nice for a lifted two-wheel drive. Yeah, look at that interior. This is a really nice one. I was like, man, that one's so nice. All right, so that's what you want to pay. Well-Tech or action van, lifted van, 10 to 14 grand. If they're nice, they're gone quick. That might be an Anza. My favorite spot to go.